When my mom and sister gave me this Ride One Up REV1 e-bike for Christmas 2023, I immediately purchased the Bell Spark 2 MIPS mountain bike helmet, and it was perfect for the type of riding that I was doing. I mainly ride on the city streets of New York City, New York, Manhattan, Beverly Hills, California, and San Francisco, California. My REV1 is still set to Class 2 factory settings. I have never unlocked it. I do not use any type of pedal assistance because I like the pedal workout. This is a great e-bike for me to pedal. Unlike other people that own this bike, one of the criticism is that the pedaling is lousy. But for me, for my build and for my physical fitness, the pedaling on the REV1 is perfect. And my average speed is something like 8.7 to 9.2 miles per hour. So I am not doing very fast, high speeds. And this helmet is perfect, more than enough for the type of riding that I do. My girlfriend wanted me to have more protection out on the road. So last night, the 8th of January, 2024, at 18:15 hours Pacific Standard Time, she presented me with the Bell Mic X-Ray TAC-9 full face motorcycle helmet with ProTint technology and MIPS. I've never worn a motorcycle helmet before, but I'm really excited about the ProTint technology. I don't have to wear sunglasses. The ProTint technology will adjust the degree of darkness based on the intensity of the UV. So no more sunglasses while I'm riding, and also I have great eye protection and also wind protection while I'm out on the road. My father always taught me, know your equipment, understand its strengths and its weaknesses. That way you can manipulate it to your advantage whenever you're in a situation. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Let's head over to Joe DiMaggio's playground so I can test this helmet out as I ride my REV1. This helmet is super comfortable. It's light and it has great ventilation. I feel comfortable and I feel safe as I ride with it on. There's a couple of things I have to prepare and I need more practice. With the helmet on, I have a greater blind spot, which means I really have to make an exerted effort to rotate my head in order to clear up those blind spots, especially at the 4 o'clock position and 7 o'clock position. As I make those moves to the 4 o'clock and 7 o'clock position, it throws my balance slightly off, and that's something I need to work on. So I need to work more on those movements with the REV1 in this park in order to be more proficient out on the roads without creating a safety hazard for myself or to the vehicles around me. As my father taught me, practice, practice, practice builds confidence in order to effectuate your goals. So that's what I'm going to do. Tomorrow, I will be back at the park, Joe DiMaggio's, and I'm going to practice in order to get that confidence, in order to effectuate my goal of being a safe and proficient rider with my REV1 and my helmet out on the city roads.